can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me with a mind to rhyme and two high feet. Feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the old town, and I'm known as such. And this is the beat, you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we're living, and you know, you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man. You can't touch this. Yo, let me bust the funky lyrics. Fresh new kicks and pants. You got it like that, now you know you wanna dance. So move out of your seat and get a fly girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, pump a little better, let her know what's going on. Like that, like that. Pull on the britches and just fall back, let them know. But you're too much, and this is the beat, they can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell, school's in, sucker. You can't touch this. Give me a song or a rhythm, making them straight, that's what I'm giving them now. They know, they talk about the hammer and they talk about a show that's hyped and tight. Singers are sweating so fast, I'm a right what it takes to learn what's gonna take in the 90s to burn the charts. Legit.
I'm very confused.
That's the word because you know you can't touch this. Touch this. Break it down. Stop. Hammer time. Go with the flow. It is said. If you can't move to this, then you probably are dead. So wave your hands in the air. Bust a few moves with your fingers through your hair. This is it. For a winner. Dance with this and you're gonna get thinner. Move, slide, your rump. Just for a minute, let's all do the bump. Yeah. Touch this. Look, man, you can't touch this. You better get hyped, boy, cause you know you can't touch this. Ring the bell, school's back in. Break it down. Stop. Hammer time. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down. Stop. Hammer time. Every time you see me, the hammer's just so hype. I'm dope on the floor and I'm magic on the mic. Now why would I ever stop doing this with others making records that just don't hit? I've toured around the world from London to the Bay. It's hammer, go hammer, MC Hammer, yo hammer, and the rest can go and play. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. Yeah. You can't touch this. I told you, you can't touch this. Too hype. You can't touch this.